Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Honey Lala, and today I have a new type of video. So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna take some clothes I had before, and I'm a alterate, alterate, alterate them into what I have on now. Ooh, cute. I know. So I went through a few troubles, but I had my mom help me. So yeah, if you want to see how I alterated the my clothes, then just keep watching. At the end, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys like this video so I can like post more videos like this. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so y'all can get right to the video. Like that's right. So now what we're gonna do is I turn them inside out so it'll be easier for you to sew. So we're gonna take some pins and we're just going to place them like where you want, like how skinny you want the pants to be. Like since I have like straight lines going down, I would have to take it out on both sides. Get high with me on the corner of Main Street. Get high with me, get high with me on the corner of Main Street. Get high with me. Sometimes I'm just alone. Okay, so on this part, I would recommend that you pin it going up, so where the colorful ball is, instead of like putting it up top, make it face towards the bottom. Just because, you know, when you take the pants off, the pins are gonna stick you, and I learned this the hard way. So here, I actually started towards the bottom of the pants, and I'm going at an angle up, closer towards the outside seam of the pants. And as I go along or sew towards the inside seam, I'm gonna remove the pin so that they don't get caught in the way. Okay, so we're back. Obviously I flipped them back side in. Don't know if that's the right terminology, but we're just gonna go with it. This is how they look now. I'm probably gonna go in and take this in just a little tiny bit more. Just because it looks bigger on this side than it does this side. But yeah, after I take that in a little bit, then we're gonna flip them back. Well, I'm gonna flip it back the other way, whatever, inside out, to sew it, to make it smaller. And then we're gonna cut off the excess fabric on the inside. Then we're gonna be done with the pants. Then we can move on to the shirt. It is extremely hard for me to see where to cut because the thread is black, but I'm gonna try my best. The way I did it was extremely hard and unnecessary. I mean, if you're a pro and you can see where the line is, then you don't like
have to do all this, but I really couldn't see where the thread was, so you know, I had to be extra because I wasn't trying to, you know, cut it too close. Like right here. Well, no, I want it to stop right here. So I'm gonna cut it like all the way down to the next button. Probably even a little bit under that. It all depends on how thick your elastic is. I have some pretty thick elastic, so I would have to cut twice that size. So yeah, but this is where I want my shirt to stop. Okay, so like I said, this is where I want the shirt to end. So I'm gonna put the elastic right under it, where I want it cut, and then I'm gonna flip it. And then I wanna have maybe like a little bit of space just to make sure the elastic fits in the little slot thingy. So I'm just gonna cut right above this button so that I have enough space for the elastic.
You're an angel, the only angel for me.
Okay, so again, you don't have to be this extra when you're cutting your pieces, but I wanted to make sure it was even. And from here we just folded the bottom over big enough to fit the elastic in and started sewing. We did leave one of the end pieces open so that we can put the elastic in. When you're putting in your elastic, you want to stick a safety pin in one side, and you'll see in the next scene that my mom is doing it so that it can, you know, just easily go in through this hole. So what you're gonna do is just stick the safety pin through and then scrunch up the fabric to get it like farther in the hole, and then just pull, like hold the safety pin with one hand and pull the elastic through with the rest. Hopefully that made sense. And the clip got deleted, but after that you're just going to sew down the elastic like at the end of the holes, and then you'll be done.